If you want to adjust alarm volume on Samsung Galaxy S26, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, open Settings, and then in the settings we can proceed all the way to Sounds and Vibration, and then in here we should be able to find the volume option. In here we have the alarm slider, so we can move left and right in here to adjust the loudness of alarms on your phone. Besides that, you can also open the clock app. And over here you can even see if you open here for the first time, open this menu, you can set the same volume for all alarms. So if you want to, you can of course press OK, and you should be able to of course set up the sound, for example, in here, and so on and so forth. But in case you want to adjust the volume, you can tap on these three dots and go to settings. Then over here in settings we have the volume option, and once again we can adjust the volume for all alarms. On the other hand, you can also set a different volume for each alarm, so in that case you should be able to adjust the volume in the alarm sound option, so back where we can also choose the sound specifically. At the bottom we can find the slider, but that is of course once again if the option is to of course not set the same volume for all alarms. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.